this is the running stitch. It can be done two different ways, but we were looking for a dashed line. So you'll see fabric in between your stitching here. To start, we come up where we want that first stitch to go. And now we can just go forward a little ways, pulling our thread down so we make our first little stitch. Leave a space, come on up, and go back down, making our next little stitch. And that is one way to make the running stitch. Another way is to come up where we want that first stitch. I'm just going to rotate my fabric here a little bit to make this easier. And then I'm going to dip my needle into the fabric, and then I'm going to push it forward a little bit and pop it back up. So that would be my space. Then go down again, and then pop it back up. So you can see I'm making a couple stitches at a time, and then I push my needle on through the fabric and gently tug. So I have multiple stitches at once. And then when we're on our last stitch, we just go back down, finishing that off there. And there's our running stitch.